This is my Meyer lemon tree. It's been in a pot for a few years now. Hasn't grown much, but it always produces a massive amount of lemons. This year, it seems especially heavy. I just don't understand. It's just loaded. Look at how many lemons it's produced. It's covered in lemons. And it's flowering again. Just heavy producer. And look at how tiny this stem is. It's less than an inch, or maybe an inch thick. I have to put this little support here to hold it up. But it's just massive, like the amount of lemons. I don't know how many there are on it. For such a little tree, it's been in this pot for a few years now, but it's just loaded everywhere with really nice big lemons. So this is my Meyer lemon tree.